Welcome, I'm David Geiger. American beef exports again topped the $1 billion mark in July. According to the Meat Export Federation, that's the fifth largest volume ever. July beef totaled 126,500 metric tons, 3% higher year over year, with export value topping the $1 billion mark for the sixth time this year. Export value per head of fed slaughter is at a record pace of more than $475. USMEF says global demand is proving to be resilient, especially at the retail level. U.S. pork exports topped 208,000 metric tons in July, 6% lower than last year, with export values at $625 million, 5% lower than 2021. July pork exports were below last year, but the per unit price of U.S. pork is trending higher in the international marketplace. Broadband, soil health, and rail service are the next topics for the House Agriculture Committee. The House is returning from summer recess. Its committees will once again be looking at the Farm Bill in a few days. Broadband will be a high-profile issue on the docket. Congress approved $65 billion for broadband nationally as part of the Infrastructure and Jobs Act, but FCC service mapping needed hit some early roadblocks, only recently overcome. Broadband is critical for rural homes, hospitals, schools, business, and farmers. And the U.S. Department of Agriculture announced $1 billion in its fourth round of the Reconnect program.
The goal isn't just to have internet. The goal is to have high-speed internet. And that's the beauty of this infrastructure bill, this bipartisan infrastructure bill, because it provides the Department of Agriculture additional resources to address that issue.
And getting into the week, our analyst Jamie Kawaki has more on the markets.
Starting the week off here in grains, we are seeing a mixed bag. Beans hanging in despite some decent rains again over the region, Midwestern region, that kind of finished the beans off. Funds did add a little bit of long length in both corn and beans last week, nothing major. But they're kind of looking to play a bullish report that we will see here this morning. But other than that, it's pretty just some book squaring in corn, some little long liquidation pre-report. See how that plays out with money flow yet here. Over the meat sector, look for cattle to kind of stabilize this week, go more sideways, see the boxes stabilize as well. I think we're probably still a week or two away before we start to see a lot of new money come in as we run into tighter supplies coming into the end of the year. Over to hogs, a lot of spreading today, looking for cash to kind of pull back cutouts as well, kind of having trouble towards Friday's highs with the hogs as well, and saw some sell pressure there. Stock market higher again, up $240, sharply lower. Energy is higher as well.
The Colfax Sheep and Goat Auction on Saturday saw a sale of 702 head of sheep. Feeder lambs fetched the day's high average price of $1.71 per pound, while fed lambs averaged $1.08 per pound. There were 296 head of goats at the auction, which saw a high average price ranging from $105 to $380 per head. That's all I have for the Agribusiness Report today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. We have our stories online. Head over to WHO13.com, click News, and then Agribusiness.